Okay, so this video I'm going to teach you how to turn on your TV. This is a Samsung. Press the power button, top left corner, should turn on. And you're going to see all your options. This particular remote has a home button, so hit the home button. Make sure you're pointing it at the TV. It'll open up your selections down here, and then you use this toggle right here, and you can toggle over. You should see it move, see it moving? If you want to watch, let's say Netflix, hit Netflix, and then this is your enter button right in the middle. So point it, press it, Netflix will load, or Disney Plus, or whatever it is. Think of this button as your enter button. These are your arrows. This is your home button. You can also shortcut, some remotes have these. You can just press the Netflix button or the Prime Video button or whatever you have. Press the button and it'll take you there as well, but on this TV. And then once you're in here, same thing, hit enter. Let's say you're watching what Elliot wants to watch. Hit the enter button, remember this one? And then just scroll around. Remember, these are your arrows. This circle pad is your arrows to move around. So you like something, you wanna watch it, you're like, hey, there's Trash Truck, let's watch that. Hit the enter button again. It'll ask, do you wanna, once again, it's your arrows, or do you want to resume? Say, let's resume. And then it'll start playing it for you. So volume control right here on the left. If you want more volume, you'll see it go up. So press it up or down, and you'll see that. Don't hit the channel change because you're in an app. So if you're watching TV though, you can change that, but you won't need to do that if you're in an app. So that's pretty much how it goes. I hope this was helpful. Hit subscribe, hit thumbs up, click these next videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.